Alright, so if you see, we do provide overlaps in RCC structures, and of course, understanding labs' best positions can help us strengthen the structure. Hey guys, I'm Suleiman Khan, and you're watching the Engineer Boy. If you remember previously on the Engineer Boy, we have learned where overlap needs to be provided in column or vertical members. But in this video, we'll be learning about the lapping zone in beams. Remember, in beams, the lapping zone for top and bottom reinforcement is different. Let's just consider top bar for a moment. Remember, the lapping zone for the top bars should be at the distance L/3 from each support. Or you can say it should be at the midsection of the beam, which is actually highlighted if you see in the diagram, that is zone A. And that is because the top bars fall in the compression zone, where negative moment in the section is always low with respect to the sections near the supports. So for safety, mid-span is said to be safe zone for the lapping. Similarly, the lapping zone for the bottom bars should be at the supports plus L/8 extension, which is just like as you can see in the diagram, that is zone B. Now, why should lap be provided in the same zone, or you can say in the zone B? That is because if you see, the bottom bars fall in the tension zone, for which, as you can see, this section near the supports are said to be safe zones for the lapping. The positive moment near supports plus L/8 extension is actually less, so we can have less chances of failure in the same area. Further, it is also recommended to provide laps in the alternate zones. For example, if we consider this is the top view of the beam, now if we provide 50% of laps in one section, then 50% of laps should be transferred to the next zone. And this is because providing lapping in the alternate zones of the beam helps us in the safe transfer of the load, which actually reduces the chances of failure. So this is how we can point out, or you can say we can determine the position or the zones for the overlaps in the beam or in the, you can say, horizontal structures. See you in the next video.